Good morning and Jai Hind to all students. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all are good and safe at your home. Saraswati Sisukunj Bagwala Borsad English Medium Standard 3rd Subject EVS, and today's our topic is revision of semester exam, and it's a part 1. Students, now our exam will come within a short time. So we will revise here some questions answer which we already learned. It's a question 5. Answer the following questions. So we will start it. Okay. So we will see first one is question 5. Answer the following questions. Students, it will be come from chapter number 1 to 13. In 1 to 13, we consider second chapter from fusion book. So don't get confusion. After 2 number lesson, one step we have to go ahead. Suppose at last we learn chapter number 13, but it is in our textbook, it is chapter number 12, but we are considered as a 13. So from third number, we will go one step ahead. Okay, so let's start here. First question is, which animal did Poonam see at pond? Which animal did Poonam see at the pond? From chapter number 1, this question is taken, and we also discuss in this video. Today also we will discuss which animals did Poonam see at the pond. Poonam saw buffaloes, goat, crane, frog and turtle at the pond. Poonam saw buffaloes, goat, crane, frog and turtle at the pond. Second question, which animal can live both on land and in water? Which animal can live both on land and in water? So students, which animal can live on both as well as on land as well in water? So a frog and turtle can live on both on land and in water. A frog and turtle can live both on land and in water. Let's see next question. How many planets are there? Name them. How many planets are there in our solar system and give its name? So there are 8 planets. How many planets? There are 8 planets. Which are these? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are there in our solar system. So let's write. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Fourth one, write any 6 things we get from trees. Write any 6 things we get from trees. Which things we can get from trees? Yes, wood, paper, honey, cotton, saffron, oil, sugar and gum we can get from the trees. So let's write wood, paper, honey, cotton, saffron, oil, sugar, rubber and gum we can get from the trees. Okay, let's see another questions. Write any 6 sources of water. Students, we learned in our chapter water or water, sources of water. So which are the sources of water? Yes, river, lake, pond, well, well, ocean, sea. Those are sources of water. So we will write it. So we can write here river, lake, well, hand pump, waterfall, spring, ocean and sea are sources of water. Again, river, lake, well, hand pump, waterfall, spring, ocean and sea are sources of water. Next questions, write any 4 activities for which water is used. Here we have to write any 4 activities in which water is used. So water is used for bathing, cooking, washing utensils. Students, water is very necessary. Without water we can't do some activity properly, like washing clothes, cooking, washing utensils and bathing. Such kind of activity we can't do without water. Next, 7 number, write any 3 rivers on our country. Write any 3 rivers of our country. So students, there are so many rivers in our country like Ganga, Yamuna, Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, Sabarmati. Okay, but here we will write only 3 rivers of our country are Ganga, Yamuna, Kaveri and Krishna. 8.1, write any 4 customs followed in your family. Students, here we have to write any 2 customs which are followed in our family, like praying to God, pray in the morning, then having food together, having lunch together, having dinner together. Okay, we are respecting our parents, we are respecting our elders, we are respecting our guests. So those are customs of our family. So here we will write 2 customs followed in my family are everyone prays to the God together. When we are praying to God, we all come together. Having food together at night, we all are having dinner together. So those 2 customs of my family. You can write your family's customs also. Okay, let's see next. 9 number, why do we need a house? Students, why we need a house? Yes, we need a house to protect from sunlight, rain, cold, thieves and wild animals. That's why we need house. So we are writing, we need a house because a house protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, thieves and animals. We need a house because a house protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, thieves and animals. 10.1, what are the some of the rooms in our house? What are some rooms of our house? So there are so many rooms in our house. Okay, like a drawing room, dining room, kitchen, bathroom, okay, storeroom, study room, bedroom. So we can write these all rooms. So we are writing here. Answer, drawing room, dining room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, storerooms are rooms in our house. Here you can write garage also. Garage is a one kind of part of our house. 11th number, name any 5 uninvited animals that live in your house. There are so many uninvited animals living with us in our house. We know which are those? Yes, lizard, spider, cat, rat, housefly, okay, cockroach, lizards, mosquitoes. Those are uninvited animals living in our house. So we will write spider, cockroach, lizard, mosquitoes, houseflies, rat, cat, etc. uninvited animals that live in our house. Again, spider, cockroach, lizard, mosquitoes, houseflies, rat, cat, etc. animals, uninvited animals that live in our house. 12 number, how do you know that you are hungry? Students, do you know when you are hungry, how do you feel it? How do you feel it? Yes, when we feel that our stomach is empty and we feel like to eat something. At that time we are telling I am hungry. When our stomach is empty and we feel like eating something, at that time we can say that I am or we are hungry. That's right. When we feel our stomach is empty, we felt like eating some things, we come to know that we are hungry. Again, when we feel our stomach is empty, we felt like eating something, we come to know that we are hungry. Let's see another. Okay, 13 number. Do all children in your class bring the same food every day? Do all children of your class bring same food every day? No. All children cannot bring same food every day. Are you bringing same food every day? No. You are changing its item. You are changing its daily. Okay. So no, all children do not bring the same food every day. No. All children do not bring the same food every day because it will be changed. 14 number, write any 4 dishes made from rice. Students, we can make so many dishes from rice. South Indian people can make so many dishes from rice. Here we are writing dosa, rice, idli, pulao and khichdi from rice. Dosa, rice, idli, pulao and khichdi from the rice. Okay. Next, how do sense organ help us? How do sense organ help us? Students, which are sense organs? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin are our sense organ. So sense organ help us to see, to smell, to hear and to touch. Sense organ help us to identify things around us. Which things around us that we can see, sometimes we can smell, okay, we can touch, we can hear, so we can come to know which things is around us. So students, here we are ending our revision part 1 video. In this we learned 1 to 15 question answers. In next video we will learn ahead another question answer. I hope you get perfect answer of all questions. I hope you will watch video again and again and you will get perfect answer. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye.